Hey, ready to go on a picnic? You gonna get some sushi? Hey? Yeah? What kind of sushi are you gonna eat? You don't know? We'll get a little bit of everything so you can try it all. Good chat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So a little bit of context here. We are in Cambridge right now, and Chelsea and I celebrated our 4th anniversary yesterday, but it was a normal work day. So today's Friday, we got Friday off, and we decided to come to Cambridge. The plan is to get some sushi and just have like a picnic.
Yes.
So it's overcast, but it's not raining, so that's good.
A little windy.
Yeah, a little chilly, but we're gonna take advantage of the day off and get some good food. Tried to film in the parking garage back there and let you know what's going on, but you know, Sir cries a lot. He had a different opinion. So it's cool being back in Cambridge. We were kind of like stumbling around trying to find the car park because it had been a bit, but got lots of people kind of enjoying the day, and we're gonna try and do the same. Chelsea got the goods. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me.
Okay, we got our spot, and
COVID, don't touch your nose.
just picking our nose and trying to serve food. One thing already I've realized with having the stroller around the city is it's a lot easier to divide crowds. So normally they're like bumping into you and I don't know, just kind of like in their own zone, not paying attention. So with the stroller they kind of look up and then they move. I'm like clearing streets there. It was nice.
Yeah, but the sidewalks are tiny.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you're in a city older than the United States of America.
Yeah.
So.
But we got our sushi, and right on cue, Porter's starting to act like he's hungry too. So that's typically how it is. We sit down and grab a bite, and then he's like, what about me?
Yeah.
So we're gonna dive in a little bit, and then as soon as he starts going crazy, we got his nice, lovely formula over there. But it's kind of a nice setup. I like how he has the bassinet where he can just kind of sit with us, and look forward to days where he can just stretch out in a blanket with us and eat some PB&J or what.
Sushi, he can eat sushi with us.
Sushi, yeah. This place, I think we did a separate video just on the sushi there the first time I went, and we haven't been back, like we said, in a couple months. So
you're not supposed to. Apparently, you're not supposed to eat sushi when you're pregnant.
Oh yeah. So, and I couldn't have it because Chelsea would be like, no.
Yeah, not fair.
Yeah. So, but we'll set you guys down. Oh, also on this video, I have a new gadget. Of course, if you guys have seen this channel, we got a lot of new toys that I'm constantly using. And this is something to help film with my phone, so I'll get into it a little bit later.
This was his anniversary gift to himself.
Oh yeah, you gotta take care of number one, right? All right, Chelsea, what you got?
Oh, this is goat cheese wrapped in
Bacon?
Prosciutto, maybe?
Something?
Yeah, it's good. We've had, everything we got is bees. Everything we got is something we've had before.
Yum, yum, delicious.
So our lunch was good, but Porter decided.
Yeah, he went formula today. Poor choice.
Yeah.
He'll learn one day. But I'm actually thankful I don't have to share with anybody besides Chelsea. So it'll be funny when he starts trying them, and I'll be like, all right, we got to get some extra rolls.
Yeah, definitely. And he's definitely at the easy stage where we can go and do this, and we don't have to worry about him running away. And he just wants to eat, and then he'll go back in his bassinet.
Yeah, but I'm excited. I'm ready to like go to parks like this and kick a soccer ball with them, or I don't know, just run around.
Go to Disney World.
It's
like my dream.
A little bit of a jump from a local park.
Yeah.
All right, welcome back to another edition of Chelsea's Got the Camera. So is my face cut off?
No.
We're good?
I did it right.
So this is the gadget I wanted to show you guys today. I've already been playing around with it a little bit. This is called the DJI OM4, and the OM stands for Osmo Mobile. So I actually had the first one of these, the DJI Osmo, and it was a big black clunky thing. And what this is it's a gimbal, so it helps stabilize the video that you're shooting with your phone. So as you walk around, it uses the 3 axes here to keep your phone stable and just, you know, right in the shot that you're trying to make. The old one, the first edition that they had, you really had to balance your phone and get it right, and then twist different locks that they had. So it took like 10 minutes just to set up the phone, and then you wanted to use your phone to text and, you know, just whatever, take calls, and then go back to this, you'd set it up. So I really didn't use it a whole lot. I used it in some shots, but then when it got to be a pain, I just kind of packed it up and didn't really get use out of it. So with this one, the new edition, what they've got is a magnet system on the last gimbal up top there, and it has a clamp that you can clamp on your phone so that you can use your phone case, or they have a standalone magnet that you just stick to the back of your phone. That one doesn't work with cases. I don't know why. I think it's just a weight issue. But I really like using my Moment case with the specialty lenses that I have, so I'm going to stick with the clamp. I don't want to dedicate a magnet to the back of my phone and not be able to have a case on it. So as rough as I am with it, and I drop it all the time, I definitely need a case. So I've got it off now, and I'll just show you how you detach it. It's a pretty strong magnet. You pop it off, and you can see the magnet on the back of it, and it's got one on the plate there. And then to fold it up, it just collapses down, and that's something that they advertise can go in a shirt pocket or a coat pocket, I mean, just tuck away, so it's not super bulky. I just have it in a carrying case and just throw it in the diaper bag when we're running around. But it's as easy as we get to an area like this park, we're ready to shoot, and I've got my phone, maybe I've got GPS or texting. Again, I don't have it dedicated to that quite yet. So when we get to where we want to go, pop it up. So you just line up the 2 slots there and power it on. And there you go, you're ready to shoot. Oh, this is another cool feature. We're gonna show you a bunch of features, but right now I've got it in like our Instagram or Snapchat. It's just the profile. You just hit the button twice, and now all of a sudden, landscape mode. So it's a lot of fun. Chelsea just kind of rolls her eyes when I show her this stuff, but I really do think the more camera gear and stuff I get, I'm just trying to get different shots for the channel and show you guys something different. But I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. So we're gonna enjoy the park, maybe spending another hour or so here before we pack up and go home. And we'll show you what this guy can do.
So one of the things that Kyle sold me on for this was it has something called gesture control. So you just do a little gesture, and it helps us be able to take a selfie of all 3 of us, and we don't have to like do the whole self timer, run back and forth, you know, awkwardly hold out a selfie stick type thing. So this is how that works.
This thing can also take really good pano shots. So I'm going to show you now. I got it on the tripod set up. We've got a cool building in the background, and it can do like a 240-degree pano, I think, or it does like a grid. So you can do like 9 pictures. It'll do 3 by 3, and it'll capture like a much wider view. But let me show you on the camera. All right, hopefully the glare is not so bad. You can see it. But again, this is the 3 by 3 photo. So check it out. And it just stitches it together for you. It's so cool. I'll try and get a better shot showed up on the screen there. And then another one that we'll do the
Clone? You want me
no, yeah, we could do clone me in a second. Chelsea loved that one from the videos. This is the 240-degree one. So let me back up a little bit and you can see how it does it. And then again, stitching it just takes a couple seconds. It's really cool. I can't wait to use that in some big cities where we got like castles or some really cool, maybe like the beach. All right, Chelsea's gonna show the Clone Me one. So what it's doing here is it's gonna take 3 pictures and stitch them together. So you can see that she's center frame right now, and then it's just gonna tell you to go in 3 different shots and it'll put it together. So I'm gonna kind of direct her as we go. This is the first attempt that we've done. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so you gotta go this way. You got 5 seconds. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, this way. And then this way. Keep going, keep going. All right, so this is the final image. I'll put it up there. That's hilarious. It was actually pretty good. So the first 2 poses are good, and then the last one we caught her running. Do you want to try it one more time?
Yeah, I don't know how to pose.
All right, we're gonna do it one more time for you guys. So I'm just gonna point to like where the center of the frame is. Ready?
Yep.
So you know it's gonna start off over there. All right, there, 5 seconds. Keep going, pose. Okay, straight ahead. Pose. There you go, and then keep going. Good. Perfect, she killed it that time. Sorry about the glare, I'll put it up on the screen. It looks really good. You see it? Good workout while you're getting your picture taken.
Yeah, people are looking at me like I'm crazy.
It means you're having fun.
You always walk into the building like it's yours. Acting like every little thing you do's a white horse. You got away and shit, what everyone is thinking. Baby looking at you, just staring at the sun. Yeah, touching me like holding a loaded gun. You got a way of making me feel my body shaking. You know you should try to disprove it. No, might as well face it, you're a star, babe. Ooh, yeah, you're a star, baby. Ooh, why you gotta be the last arriving at the show? Don't matter if the crowd is walking out the door. Ain't even got a reason. Yeah, even got a reason. You need a lesson, baby, in astronomy. The one that's been around your life to make it seem ain't even complicated. It ain't even complicated. You know you should try to disprove it. No, might as well face it, you're a star, babe. Ooh, yeah, you're a star, baby. Ooh.
So thanks for joining us today. Sorry, I'm distracted by the motorcycles. We had a really good time at Cambridge and eating our sushi and just, you know, enjoying our beautiful English weather here. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out Kyle's new toy and, you know, watching me run around to clone myself and be a model when I didn't even know that he was filming me, which is, you know, normal. So if you're new here and you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you next time.